Are you trying to use Hindi fonts in CapCut but can't find them in the app? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to add Hindi fonts to CapCut so you can enhance your videos with your native language. Let's dive right in. In the previous video, I already shared the method to import fonts in the CapCut app. This method is pretty much the same, so let's get started. First things first, let's grab the Hindi font you want to use. Open your browser and search for Hindi fonts. Websites like Google Fonts or other font resources offer a variety of Hindi fonts. Choose the one you like and download it to your device. Once the font is downloaded, go to your file manager and locate the zip file in your downloads folder. Extract the zip file to get the font files. Now, open the CapCut app and start any project. Tap on the Add Text option and then tap on the Font button. You'll notice a plus symbol icon. Click on it and browse through your phone's storage to find the Hindi font file you just downloaded. Once selected, CapCut will automatically import the font into your app. And there you go. Now you can use Hindi fonts in your CapCut projects. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it useful.